How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can stream on Kick with Streamlabs. So the first thing that you want to do is to, of course, just make sure that everything is set up from your sources, your scenes, and more. Basically, in my case, I'm just streaming my desktop right here, as you can see. And then the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to settings and once again, set everything up from your output, your video, and more. But the most crucial step is to just head over to the streams option. And from here, we could do something like the Kick option, click on the connect button, and then it will open up your browser on which you could just select your account to link with. So basically by doing this, we will allow Streamlabs to locate or connect with our chat, look for our stream key, stream URL, and more, which will make things easier. Now in here, I'll just click on the skip button, and then we are going to use the free option. And basically right after, your analytics will then show up on the Kick right here. And so to proceed, let's head over to the Kick dashboard. And from here, you can just click on the stream key and URL, head back to the settings of Streamlabs. And then you want to navigate through the same option, which is stream. And if your Kick isn't connected, because in some other versions it is glitched, you can just click on the add custom destination, and then we can customize our name by simply choosing click, and then you could copy the stream URL right here, and basically the same thing with the stream key. Click on save, and then it's going to be this one right here. And so if we do something like the stream option, by clicking on the go live option, we can then choose our custom destination. So in our case, it's going to be click. And of course, you could now add your title and your description. Click on confirm and go live. And basically from here, it will then connect to that specific stream URL and stream key. So just wait for everything to finish. It will then connect with our live right here. Unfortunately, as of the moment, I cannot turn off the dual streaming services. So there's an error on my side right here, but that's how you simply stream on Kick with Streamlabs. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.